How to buy Bitcoin on Unocoin. Are you guys facing issues to buy Bitcoin on Unocoin wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To buy Bitcoin on Unocoin, first open the app and log in into your account. From the home screen, tap on Buy option at the bottom, then select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Now enter the amount you want to spend in INR or the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Make sure your INR wallet has enough balance. If not, deposit funds before proceeding. Once the amount is set, review the current market price and show on the screen. Then tap on Buy Now. You'll see the final summary of the transactions, including any fees. Tap Confirm to complete the purchase. After that, your Bitcoin will be instantly added to your Uno account, and you can take it anytime on the wallet section. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna buy Bitcoin on Unocoin wallet. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.